To block any website on Safari, first you need to set the screen time passcode. For this, open Settings on your iPhone. Swipe up to navigate down the menu, and locate Screen Time, then tap on it. If Screen Time isn't enabled yet, tap Lock Screen Time Settings to activate it. Set up a screen time passcode by entering a 4-digit code. Re-enter the screen time passcode to confirm. You can enter your Apple ID to reset the password if you forget it, or choose to do this later. In the confirmation window, tap Skip to proceed. The screen time passcode has been set. Now, navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Select Web Content from the list of options. If you choose Limit Adult Websites, it will block adult content, and also allow you to block specific websites. Tap Add Website under Never Allow, and enter the URL of the website you wish to block. After that, tap Enter on the keyboard to confirm. Now, exit Settings, and open Safari to test the restrictions. Now, try to visit the website you just blocked. You will then see the message, "You cannot browse this page because it is restricted." If you need to access this blocked site, you can disable the restrictions by tapping Allow Website and entering your passcode. Keep in mind that you will need to block the website again after unblocking it. So, that's how you can block any website on Safari on your iPhone.